Hi there, hello, welcome to G Vision Media. Recently, Apple has launched the iPhone 13 series mobile phones. A lot of improvement has gone into these phones in terms of the camera systems, the touch responsiveness, the battery, the durability, and the performance, etc. In this video, let us unbox Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold Edition 256 GB, and let's also look at the quick setup and what are the key features in these phones. We will also look at how the MagSafe case works with this iPhone. iPhone 13 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors: Sierra Blue, Silver, Gold and Graphite. We are going to unbox the Gold 256 GB version of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let us look at the quick setup of this phone migrating from iPhone 7 and also key features like cameras, performance, battery, etc. In my experience, I would always recommend to order any Apple product from apple.com directly. Try to avoid buying Apple products from any other websites, and also I would recommend not to go for small dealers around your town. So let us quickly unbox the package that we received via Blue Dart. It's a tracked package. It directly comes to the shipping address. So let's now open this box and then see what is inside. So in fact, I have ordered for 2 mobile phones. One is an iPhone 13 Pro Max and another one is iPhone 13. iPhone 13 is in blue color, we ordered it, and 13 Pro Max is in a gold color. So let us look at those products first. When you ordered it from Apple, it will always come in a very tight wrapping and a lot of packing materials will be used. This is the iPhone 13 version. If you have not seen the unboxing of this, I have given the link for unboxing at the top. You can have a look at it. And this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So the 2 products that we ordered from Apple has arrived without any damage. Let us now do the unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold Edition. The total storage capacity is 256 GB, designed by Apple California, manufactured at China. So let us open this box and then see what are the various items that is there. This is a sealed package on both the sides, top and bottom. So we will have to remove the sealing to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So there are very limited accessories provided inside. Nowadays Apple has reduced a lot of accessories while giving it in the box. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow, what a great look. Shiny finish. It's a surgical grade stainless steel being used for manufacturing these products. Neatly carved and elegant look. This is amazing. So you have got 3 cameras on the back and a ceramic back case as well inbuilt. It's a very shiny finish. So holds very good in the hand and it is very comfortable and feels very heavy as well. The next item inside the box is the Lightning to USB Type-C cable. Apple has gone away in giving the adapters, so they are not giving any more adapters, and there are no headphones as well, so only the charging cable. You will also get a SIM ejector pin. Few documentation regarding the product and an Apple sticker as well comes along in this package. So those are the items in the box. good thing about Apple is they are always environment friendly organization. So they have reduced the use of plastic. Even the displays are covered with only cardboard wrappings. So let's remove that. These are the similar set of items you will get for any Apple product, be it in Max 3 or 13. Let's now quickly get into the setup of this phone. I'm going to migrate my Apple iPhone 7 into this 13 Pro Max. So let us look at the initial setup. So it's a very simple step. It will take only 25 minutes. Your both phones has to be very nearby. So once you switch on the phone, you will have to select the country, the region where you are, and then it will automatically detect for the quick startup, and the phone nearby will also get an alert for migrating from this phone to the other. So once you follow the on-screen steps, the transferring of data from one phone to another phone will be pretty much quick and pretty much easy and straightforward. There you go, all the data in the iPhone 7 has now been transferred to 13 Pro Max. I have stored all my data in iCloud, so it is very much easy for me to migrate it here. So now the Apple phone is now ready. A lot of improvements have gone into this phone in terms of camera, the display, as well as the battery size. A lot has been improved in this phone, and also a new processor has been introduced in iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let us look at some of the very key features here. The front shield is a ceramic shield. The responsive is very nice. It feels premium. In this phone, Apple has redesigned its internal to accommodate more battery capacity. A large 50% larger battery has been placed inside. It has got 28 hours of video playback and 95 hours of audio playback. Apple also claims that in comparison to iPhone 12, it is 1.5 times more hours in the Apple 13 Pro and 2.5 hours more battery life when compared with iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple has also re-engineered its internals to accommodate the A15 Bionic chip in order to improve the displays, and also it is introducing the ProMotion sensor as well as the cameras improvements. So in the A15 Bionic, a lot of performance improvement has been done. Apple has fine-tuned its internal processor for 50% more performance than the previous generation. It has fine-tuned the neural engine performance, the display engine, the video encoder, the video decoder, and also the image processing. Everything has been fine-tuned in this process. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has got a Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, 6.7 inches diagonal OLED display with 458 ppi. The ProMotion technology is with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It feels smooth when you scroll through the screen. The 13 Pro Max has got 3 cameras in the back. The telephoto with the f2.5 aperture, the ultra-wide camera with f1.8 aperture and 120 field of view. The wide-angle camera is with f1.5 aperture. The optical zoom range is 6x max and the digital zoom range is 15x. Let us test the camera. As soon as you launch the camera app, it will go into the photographic style selection. You can choose the mode that you want to. If you are toggling between the various frames, you will get what is the various styles available, and you can choose from the available styles. Apart from the standard iPhone modes, time lapse and slow motion, you will get a cinematic video mode. This is a new feature in this phone, and you will get the normal video mode, the pano mode, the portrait mode as well. I just took a photo of this colorful cube and then compared it with the actual cube itself. Look at the quality of the picture. That is amazing. Lot of improvement has gone into this camera. You will don't even notice which is a real cube and which is a camera picture. I also bought a MagSafe silicon case for this iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is very much useful when you are traveling, and this is in a leather finish silicon case. Let us quickly unbox it and then see the case itself. The quality of the case is very much premium, and you have got the Apple logo on the back and the options for all the buttons. It snaps very well into the phone. It has got the MagSafe charging coil inside and then iPhone logo in that. As soon as the case fits in, the mobile phone detects it automatically. It fits in perfectly. The cameras are well covered, and it feels very grip as well. So the probability of dropping the phone is very less. So that's pretty much on the unboxing of Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold 256 GB, its features as well as the MagSafe charger. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends, families as well. And don't forget to click the logo and subscribe. Stay tuned.